Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add a payment method on Coursera. Quick setup. Let's dive right in. If you're looking to enhance your skills with Coursera's vast array of courses, understanding how to add a payment method is crucial. Whether you're enrolling in an individual course or considering a subscription like Coursera Plus, having your payment method set up will ensure a hassle-free experience. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process step by step, addressing any common issues you might face along the way. To get started, the first step is to log into your Coursera account using your credentials. If you're new to Coursera, you'll need to create an account. Simply click on the Join for Free option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Once logged in, you'll be ready to add a payment method, which is essential for accessing paid courses and earning those valuable certificates that can boost your professional profile. Now, why is setting up a payment method so important? Well, Coursera offers a variety of courses and specializations that require payment. By adding a payment option like a credit or debit card, PayPal, or even Stripe, you can seamlessly pay for courses and receive certificates upon completion. These certificates can be a great asset when showcasing your skills to potential employers or clients. Coursera also offers subscription plans like Coursera Plus. This plan provides access to a wide library of courses and specializations for a fixed fee. By adding a payment method, you can easily subscribe to these plans and explore a world of learning without interruptions. Let's move on to adding your payment method. Start by going to the upper right corner of the Coursera homepage where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to access your account settings. Once there, look for the Account section, which should be located above Communication Preferences. Here, you should find an option labeled Payment Methods or simply Payments. If, for some reason, you can't see this option, don't worry. Click on the chat icon to engage with the customer support bot. Ask the bot how to add a payment method or inquire why the Payments section isn't showing on your Coursera account. The bot can provide guidance on resolving these issues. Alternatively, if you're using the Coursera app on your mobile device, the process is slightly different. Open the app and navigate to your profile. In the upper right corner, you'll see a gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click on it and find the section labeled Payment. If the Payment section is missing, it might be due to an issue with your account, like the need for ID verification or a possible bug. In such cases, reaching out to Coursera's official customer support is your best bet. They can assist with troubleshooting any issues you're facing on both the mobile app and the web version. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to add a payment method on Coursera. Quick setup, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to add a payment method on Coursera. Quick setup, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.